Ready? Hey guys, this is George. I want to show you how to actually bend sizes stocking because the lady wants huge earrings. So I want to bend it sideways, not this way. Okay? I want to bend it the opposite way, like this. So I'm going to make full earrings so you can look at them sideways. So I created this wheel here, and I want to show you how it goes on my machine that I created. Okay? So I come this way. Okay, you can see this little tabletop I created. I usually bend my bangles on it. So this slides right in like this, so it has a groove in it, sits in. So what I did, I created a groove here, but I want to show you. So this is gonna sit right in the groove here. So I went in, so it controls it here. So when I go around, it bends it because it's almost impossible to bend it like this on your mandrel, right? So we're gonna slide it in. And we're gonna give it a little test. So this one carriage goes like this. That's gonna slide in. And push this carriage in, come from this side, Noah. I got my son, I got a cameraman today. All right, let's see how this works. So we're gonna bend it as we go. How you doing this? Okay, you can see it's moving along. I just gotta push this back of here so we have more room because I should have cut it, but I don't want to cut it because I don't know how much we need to make it. I think about 7 inches. Okay, come around, Noah. You can see how nicely it's bending it. Control it and look at this, huh? Yeah.